Want to know how to check out your expenses or your income using a calendar? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your expenses and income just by using a calendar so that you can get a flexible and easier way of viewing your daily expenses and income just through the calendar itself. So let's get straight to it. Now, Money Manager comes with a built-in calendar where you can just simply see your expenses. So I'm going to show you how you can do it. So you should be under the transaction interface by default, and now right beside it you should be seeing calendar right here. So it should be above or beside daily, so you can just simply select that. So now once you have a good calendar, you should be seeing the transactions I have created should be on the gray ones. So on the 30th I have deducted 500 from my account, so I can just simply scroll up and scroll down and see the dates, and then just simply change it as well. So in order to get a more detailed view, I can just simply select the day, and here you can see which account it is deducted from and how much is deducted. So you can do the same for all. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.